So I created a post on Instagram talking about why your business is broke. And it was really just my observation, just working with almost 100 clients in the home service space. And it was just kind of my understanding. Like I had an epiphany where I realized, I have my notes here, that it was like, if you're not breaking even on ads as a local business, you'll never be successful. That was like the main headline in my idea. But like when I broke it down further, it's because of 3 reasons that like people aren't running ads, right? The first thing that I came to mind was skepticism. So a lot of businesses, more so on the smaller side, they probably get flooded with cold calls and cold emails, people reaching out to them stating how, hey, in this month, I can get you 20 to 30 leads a month. And people like you, the contractor, the business owner, have probably taken up some offers like that in the past. And what ends up happening is, in the first month, you usually find out that the person was full of it. You lost your money, you got burned, and that was kind of the end of the story. Maybe expectations were managed well. Maybe the person was just, I don't know, a scammer in India, whatever it may be, it didn't work out for you. And that is a big reason that happens with some people. And that's why I always recommend that business owners themselves understand the concept of ads, how to run it themselves. And if they want to delegate it, then they can for like the ease, but they shouldn't do that. So skepticism was one of the reasons why a lot of people aren't running ads. But number 2 was confidence. So when I think about the customers that I've worked with, like even if they do get leads, sometimes business owners are not closing these leads on the first time that the customer reaches out or the first time that they talk to them. And that's okay. But what happens is the client, the business owner, will usually not reach back out to the client. But you need to reach out to all your leads, because if someone doesn't close on the first call, you need to call them 2, 3, 4, however many times it takes. And you need to get a solid yes or no if they want to work with you. And the reason why I think this is a confidence issue is because when I kind of dive into it, and sometimes I'll talk to somebody a little bit deeper, the reason is because they're afraid of rejection. They think that they're annoying someone. And it's like, dude, like you're one of the best roofers in the town, or you're one of the best business owners in your town. You know your stuff. You're not annoying them. They reached out to you. There is a million reasons why a customer didn't reach back out. Maybe they got busy with their kids. Maybe it was a family emergency. Like there's so many other reasons. But just because, they're not responding to you, or maybe they didn't close on the first time, doesn't mean that it's a done deal. Like, no, follow up with them. Like you owe that to yourself, especially if you paid for these ads yourself. So don't ever do that. And that's kind of like a confidence issue. And then the kind of expanding on that a little bit further, a lot of businesses owners are risk averse, meaning they're like afraid of losing money. They don't want to take risks at all. And even if you do run your own ads and you are not happy with the results for that first 30 days, there are a lot of business owners that I've seen that have just shut everything off, and they just say, hey, ads don't work for me. Ads don't work for my industry. Ads don't work for businesses. Ads or scam. And that couldn't be further from the truth. But what should they have done in this scenario? What they should have done, it sounds hard to believe, but you got to take the risk, spend even more money, go to 90 days. Even if you are not breaking even, you got to look at the data. And this is where it pays to know how to run ads yourself. But look at the data, fix what's wrong. Fix what's wrong, test different things, and maybe that next month, month 4, you now have a profitable ads campaign. And this profitable ads campaign is going to be a money-making machine that works 24/7. Something to think about, right? Maybe those first 30 days or the first 90 days suck, but you have to make optimizations, fix the stuff, and then let it work. What would happen if you're on the job site, right? And you're doing a roof and someone just screws up. Maybe they put too many nails in. Do you just say, oh, screw it. Okay, this sucks. We ruined the whole roof. We got to, no. There's probably a small error laying in your ads that's just making everything way worse than what it really is. You just have to find the little needle in the haystack of what's wrong and then fix it. That's it. So if you let these 3 things bother you, skepticism, confidence, and you're being risk averse, you'll never be successful. You'll never even see the profit that ads has to bring. And I don't want that for you. So I just wanted to make this short video talking about that. It was just kind of me just putting my thoughts together. And the end of everything, I just want you to be able to run ads and be able to cherry pick the really good leads. And you do that by just strategically planning out your ads beforehand. I have some other videos discussing that. But if you are interested talking a little bit about what ads can do for your business or anything like that, feel free to book a call with myself. It's just a consultation, kind of talk about your business, your goals. I give my feedback. If there's a fit for us to work together, I'll mention that. If not, you just get free advice. But I hope you enjoy this video. And definitely look out for some new videos and new tips that are coming out. But anyways, see you guys in the next video. Peace.